Make sure the repaired door closes smoothly by testing it immediately and methodically. Start by opening and closing the door slowly 5 to 10 times, watching for consistent resistance or sticking points and noting exactly where the strike plate meets the latch. Check the gap around the door by standing at both sides and looking for an even reveal along the jamb from top to bottom. Any narrowing shows where material needs removal or hinge adjustment. If you feel catching or rubbing, run your fingers along the edge to locate the exact spot and mark it with a piece of masking tape so you can target sanding or plane work without guessing. Tighten hinge screws into the frame and consider using slightly longer screws into the stud behind the jamb if the latch side pulls inward when closed, but do this only after confirming the hinge alignment issue. Verify the strike plate alignment by closing the door and watching whether the latch enters the hole smoothly. File the hole, or reposition the plate by loosening its screws and shifting it a few millimeters until the latch engages flush. Finish by operating the door at different speeds and with moderate force to ensure the latch does not bounce or fail to catch, and recheck after a full day of temperature and humidity change because wood movement can alter fit. Common mistakes include assuming the problem is the latch when the real issue is hinge sag, which you can fix by tightening screws and installing longer screws into the frame or shimming the hinge. Another mistake is over-sanding a single spot, which can create a new gap, so remove only small amounts and recheck frequently. People often ignore the strike plate alignment and instead sand the jamb, which can weaken the latch engagement, so reposition the strike plate first and only file the latch recess as needed. A third common error is testing only once right after the repair and then leaving without rechecking after a day. So repeat the open and close test several times, and again after humidity or temperature changes to confirm lasting smooth operation. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where users share repair experiences and tips on doors, frames, and hardware. We help contractors find projects and allow homeowners to compare approaches and ask questions before hiring.